We can even give him one of your oranges out there on the feeder. Tango, look, there's a bird. He's at the feeder. The seed in the oranges work. Look at him. Yeah, right? He's eating all the seed right now. Look at him. I don't know if he can hear you. We don't have the mic on for him. Excited to make new friends?